Hey everyone! Some Disney Toys here, and today I'm super excited to bring you a Hello Kitty cash register. And I love Hello Kitty, so if you do too, give this video a thumbs up. This toy is super awesome because it has an actual calculator, and it makes noise and lights up. You can even try it before opening the box. And see, the calculator works. Here's everything taken out of the box. We'll click the on button and check everything out. Here's our Hello Kitty scanner. It's shaped like Hello Kitty's head. Cool, her bow lights up. And the scanner in the back does too. Not to mention the cool sound effects. The bottom of the cash register pops out. That's where we're gonna put our money. This set came with 5 $10 bills. And 5 $5 bills. And we have a Hello Kitty credit card. It also came with some change. Oh, and it has a picture of Hello Kitty on it. Let's go ahead and fill up our cash register. We'll put the 10s over here and the 5s on this side. Now we'll add in the coins and close it up. So here's a closer look at the calculator. If I do 10 minus 5 equals 5. We'll clear it out and try again. 2 times 2 is 4. Over on this side, it has special buttons. They're pictures of different food items that you can find at a grocery store. And over here, we have a Hello Kitty pen. After you use your credit card, this is where you're going to sign your name. Oh, and something I found a little bit strange is these buttons over here, they don't actually change the calculator. See? Still 0. Well anyways, let's get to shopping. The first thing I'm going to buy is this pineapple. We'll click the pineapple button. Now we'll scan the pineapple. What else should I pick up? Ooh, how about this strawberry? I'll take 1. Let's get more fruit. How about these grapes? And an apple. Okay, that's all for me today. Time to see what the damage is. We got 4 fruit, and they are $1 each. So that equals $4. I'm gonna use my Hello Kitty credit card to pay. Cool, even that makes noise. Oh, it's requesting a signature. There you go. Now it's time to enjoy some of that fruit we bought. Here's our grapes. It's almost summertime and frozen grapes make a tasty and healthy snack. If you haven't tried it, you're definitely missing out. Now we'll cut up some strawberries for our strawberry lemonade. I love lemonade when it's hot outside. Time for our apple. You know what they say, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. It'll keep you healthy and strong so you can play all summer long. And now for our pineapple. Pineapples always remind me of SpongeBob. Let's open this up. Nope, no SpongeBob in here. Just some delicious pineapple. All that fruit was great, but now I think we need some more snacks. How about some popsicles? Those are $2. And some pretzels. $3. Yum, how about some cookies? They look like M&M cookies. That's $2 as well. Ooh, and I'll pick up some flour to make my own desserts. That was $5. And I love cereal in the morning. That's $4. Woo, we racked up a bill of 16 bucks. But luckily for us, I have a club card. We'll swipe that and see what our savings are. We saved $1. 16 minus 1 is 15. And that's perfect because I have exactly $15. I love saving money. Well, this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.